Cryllic Lesson 9. Alright. I want to hurry through this because I already taped one version and it went over time. So we're going to get through it quickly. Okay, we'll start with, this is where I'm teaching you capitals. Not capitals, the cursive. Alright. Cursive capital A's. Choose whichever one you like. I prefer the bottom one. Okay. However you want to do it, go ahead. I do suggest the bottom one. It's the easiest. It keeps going. Let's see, can I do this? You start here, go up, you come down, you hook it. That's bad. You hook it over, go through. Ta-da! And then you keep writing. La 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 la. Scribbles! Ah, and I just used marker all over my computer. Okay, lowercase, exactly the same as in English, lowercase cursive. Ah, and I'm dropping the whiteboard out. It's because I'm trying to hurry through it. Well, I took like 3 minutes because I had problems showing you how to do the letter B, which I'm on right now. That's really bad, letter B. It's because I'm hurrying through it. Alright, what you do, okay, make the top part, go down, hook it over like that, then you come back down the hook, go up, make this curve, and then you keep going and writing. Ta-da! Alright, here's the one I had problems with before. That's lowercase b print. That's lowercase b cursive. Alright. Now, let's say you're writing ab. You have the A. What you do is you go up, come back down to form a curve, and you just keep going up and over. That's a really bad B, but you kind of see how it's made, alright? Okay. Now we'll keep going so that we don't have problems, because problems are bad. Letter V. Looks like that in print. Basically, you make a cursive B. I make mine a little differently than most people. Make it however you make your cursive B, alright? Not that hard. So how you make your cursive B is how you make your uppercase cursive V. And it's the exact same thing with lowercase. I make my cursive B's lowercase in English like that. This is how that's how you make it in Cryllic, lowercase. Okay? Alright. G, go like that. I know I like to kind of hook it around and keep writing. You don't have to. I do just because it keeps it flowing. No, it's not a requirement. And then looks like that. Kind of like a curvy Z, if you will, in lowercase. And like if you were to write ag, it'd end up looking like that. Okay? Later we're going to discover with the letter L that it can be a little confusing, but I'll teach you a special stroke that helps. Okay? Moving right along, come to D. That's the print version. I know, it's shocking. It's like English. Wow. But that's how it is. Then in lowercase, it gets really weird. Yeah, it's confusing, I know. But you'll get used to it. Just practice with it, and it'll all become clear eventually. Okay? Letter E is exactly how it is in English. Simple. Let's see. What's the next one? All right. ZH. It's the one that looked like this. Turns into that. You can kind of see where it is. All right, it's exactly the same in the lowercase, so I'll show you just how to write it. You come, all right, let's say you're writing azure. You don't know the rest of the or part yet, but I'll teach you the az. You make your A, bring it up, curve it down like that. You come up, downward line. Come back up, and use that as the top and make like a C. And that's az. That one ended up getting a little stretched out. They should be kind of compact if you can help it. Sort of like that. Okay? Alright. See, it's not that hard. It's a little confusing at points, I will admit. Z, uppercase. Lowercase, it's actually a normal English lowercase z. Okay? Ta-da! Alright. I'll do 2 more letters and get this done and over with. Okay. Alright, we have E, which looks like that. Backwards N, remember? Well, actually, it's the letter I. It makes it sound E or I. Yeah, it's a letter U. Mm-hmm. Definitely is. Get over it. That's all I can tell you. It's the same in the lowercase, except there's no hook on the front of that U. Ta-da! Alright. Now remember the letter Y was an I with a breve over it? That's exactly what it is in cursive. Just normal with a breve over it. Okay? I will end here. I probably went a little fast for you. I'm sorry. If it's too fast, go back, watch it a couple times. You'll catch everything. I'll see you in the next lesson. Lesson 10. Ta-ta.